How to run a full scan using Windows Defender. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to run a full scan using Windows Defender. Well, if you want to know how, let's dive right in. First, let's access Windows Security. Simply type Windows Security in the search bar at the bottom left of your screen. Click on Windows Security app from the search result. Now, once you're in the Windows Security app, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Under the current threat sections, you will see a link that says Scan Options. Go ahead and click on that. If you can't see that option, you need to simply tap on Open App option and then click on Quick Scan. Here, it will start scanning for viruses and malware. Now, you can see that your computer is scanning for viruses and malware. Now, let's explore an alternative method using the command prompt. Type CMD in the search bar and at the bottom left, right-click on the command prompt apps from the drop-down list and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to allow permissions. Now type the following command which you can see on the screen and then you need to press enter. Now type another command to run the full scan. You can see it on the screen. Once you see it, you need to simply copy it and then press enter. This will initiate the full scan in the command prompt window. And that's it. You have successfully run a full scan using Windows Defender. It's that easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you in the next video.